my home in today's market before listing? Are you currently looking to list your property but thinking what you need to fix up or how much renovation you should do before you list your home? In today's market, many sellers wonder how much work they should do before listing and is it worth it? Hi, I am Suma, Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area. The answer to this question is yes and no, depending on what is happening in your local market. In today's market, increased inventory has given buyers more options than previous years. This means, as a homeowner, you may not be able to ignore some updates or repairs that may not have been necessary or that could have been overlooked in the previous months. In a recent article, from Realtor.com states, to stand out in today's market, sellers should make their home attractive to buyers, which usually means some selective updates. However, renovating a few key areas in your home may be enough to make your house stand out from the competition, and you will need to consider the return on your investment. According to 2022 Remodeling Impact Report from National Association of Realtors states, hardwood flooring refinishing and adding new wood flooring has the most significant value in today's market. Also, what is just as important is to make sure your real estate professional knows of any upgrades you have previously done. This way, they can be properly marketed to make buyers aware of your features and improvements in the home. Finally, the best recommendation is to spend your time and money wisely by consulting with a professional to see where the best focus should be. Feel free to reach out to me and my team so we can go over the best strategy of renovations to optimize the sale of your home with the best return on your investment. So, if you are still thinking of selling this year, let us connect so I can go over current market information to help you to get the best possible price for your home to make the best possible move. Reach out if you have any questions, and remember, if you do what you love, people like what you do. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker with the tradition of excellence and integrity. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.